We're excited to have a special presentation at this time. Let me introduce Dr. Heather Triesenberg, Associate Director of Michigan Sea Grant, and Dr. Sylvia Newell, Director of Michigan Sea Grant.
My name's Heather Triesenberg, and I'm Michigan Sea Grant's Associate Director at Michigan State University, where I'm an extension specialist and a program leader. Michigan Sea Grant is a longstanding partnership between the University of Michigan and Michigan State University. We have a really great blue-green partnership story to brag about that's been years long. I'm here today to introduce my colleague from the University of Michigan, Michigan Sea Grant's Director and Professor in the School of Environment and Sustainability, Dr. Sylvia Santamaria Newell. Dr. Newell has a PhD in marine biogeochemistry from Princeton University, and for about a decade was a faculty member at Wright State University in Ohio. Dr. Newell, Sylvia, joined Michigan Sea Grant in June of 2023. I'm grateful to work in partnership with Sylvia. I know you will enjoy getting to know her today and in the years to come, and I'm going to turn it over to Sylvia to share a little bit more about our award.
Thank you so much, Heather. I just want to emphasize how grateful I am to our team to putting this Great Lakes together and Great Lakes Day together, and really also emphasize the importance of our blue-green partnership and the way that Michigan Sea Grant being spanned across 2 universities, I think really makes us stronger and helps us support communities in the state of Michigan. So today I have the pleasure of presenting the Van Snyder Award. This is our award for distinguished partnerships, which recognizes individuals who exemplify what it means to be a partner and friend of Michigan Sea Grant. We established the award in 2010 to honor the memory of Van Snyder, who was the former president of the Michigan Boating Industry Association and a longtime collaborator. Through his work, he exemplified what it means to be a partner, considerate, willing to help, diplomatic, and a great all-around resource. The inaugural award was given to Snyder and has since been awarded to recognize individual partners who have gone above and beyond. Recipients are nominated by our Michigan Sea Grant staff and selected by the management team. And today, it is my great pleasure to present a Michigan Sea Grant Van Snyder Award to Dr. Lois Wolfson. And I actually have the award right here. Yeah. Oh, you can't really see it. Look at the picture on the screen. It's definitely much better, but it turned out very nice in person, I'll say. So for more than 40 years, Dr. Lois Wolfson, in her role as a senior specialist in Michigan State University's Department of Fisheries and Wildlife, as well as at the Institute of Research, dedicated her career to the advancement of water resource protection and management. She built networks among water resource stewards in Michigan and nationwide while contributing her own expertise and enthusiasm. For 33 years until her retirement last year, she served as the main organizer of this event, the Great Lakes Conference. When the event was in person, Michigan Sea Grant used the conference as a professional development program for Michigan teachers. And Michigan Sea Grant staff often participated by being session speakers or moderators nearly every year. Dr. Wolfson also developed and delivered a long-term outreach and extension programs, including the Michigan Lake and Stream Leaders Institute, which was a leadership training program, and the popular online Introduction to Great Lakes course. Dr. Wolfson also contributed to the award-winning Water School program developed by Michigan Sea Grant and Extension to help public officials understand more about water management and water issues. All of these are incredibly important programs that have long-standing impacts. Dr. Wolfson's wealth of knowledge and experience surrounding water resource protection and her years of partnering with Michigan Sea Grant make her a highly deserving candidate to receive this Van Snyder Award. So congratulations, Dr. Wolfson.
Well, thank you, Dr. Newell, also Heather Triesenberg, Cindy Hudson, and Michigan Sea Grant for this recognition. I've worked with Michigan Sea Grant on a number of successful programs over the years, as you just heard. But this conference is really a great example of how partnerships produce long-lasting and impactful programs. Michigan Sea Grant, along with the MSU Institute of Water Research and the Department of Fisheries and Wildlife, initiated this conference in 1990, and we were later joined by the former Office of the Great Lakes and then the Water Resources Division of EAGLE. We've attracted 200 plus people each year. And in fact, this year there were over 500 people pre-registered for the conference. So I've been very happy to be a part of this program. And I'm confident that this partnership will continue to bring current and emerging Great Lakes research and management issues to people throughout the state and the region in the upcoming years. So thank you again for this wonderful award for distinguished partnerships. Thank you.
Again, congratulations, Dr. Wolfson, our Van Snyder Award winner.